Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to interface a relay with the ESP32. So how to control the relay. So basically what is the relay? A relay is a electrical device which is used for the control the AC voltage. Okay, AC devices, not voltage, AC devices. So AC means whatever controller we are using. So like our ESP32 or whatever controller we are using, so for that we are getting 5 volt, and so I am using here 5 volt relay. So in the controller, whatever the controller giving us the 5 volt relay, 5 volt, that 5 volt will be used for the actuate the relay. Okay, so for the relay, I have written one program. So this is the program. So I want to control the relay with the Thinker IO. So this is the Thinker IO program. This is the user ID. So how to, already I have explained how to use Thinker IO. So same thing, I'm logging Thinker IO to my cloud. So relay, if you are not using the relay, then a relay is used to control the AC appliances. So whatever, like if you are using, we are using to for the relay communicating for the LED. We are using, like we are checking the output in the LED. So but in the real life we cannot use that value. We cannot use the LED, no, for each for the output. For the real life, real example, we are using a relay to control the AC devices. Okay, so this is my cloud interface. So I'll click create a device. So already I have explained previously how to use all those things. So okay, so previously I have to erase or something. So it's a free version, that's it. So it will look like this. Now you have to create a device. So here device ID, you have to give any name. So I'm giving relay. So in the device ID I will put a relay, and device credential, whatever device credential you are getting, this is my device credential. You have to copy and paste in the credential link. Okay, then after that I've already so here you have to, after that you have to click on the add device. Okay, when you click on the add device, so it will look like this. It's showing offline because my program is going on, like my program is I'm uploading my program, so that's why it's showing like that. I'll explain the program. This is the library user ID, like my cloud interface ID, then username. This is my cloud username. Relay device ID, device credential. This is my hotspot name, hotspot password. Here I am using 2 number pin. Okay, so I want to control. And what is the variable name is the relay. Okay, so it will take some time to upload. So so relay, for the relay there is no separate program for the relay. So whenever you are using any output device, that time you can use the relay. Okay, so I'll show you the relay, how relay look like. So relay, so basically these are the some different relays are there. So I'll show you this. I'll show you this one. So this is the coil part. Okay, so this is the coil part. One is the common, NO, NC. NO is normally open, NC is normally closed. Common, where we are giving the power supply. Okay, so in the coil section, if you are giving 0 1 and 1 0, that time will coil will active. Whatever we are putting in the common, that will be directly connected. Basically before the actuation, it will connected to the NC only, normally closed only. When you give, we will actuate, ignite the coil, that time the common part will be the, it's your magnetic field will be create, then this common part will be connected to the NO. So if we are connecting the AC supply to the common, then it will directly jump here. So I will show you how the connections look like. Okay, it will take some time to upload the program. So like that I have connected. This is the connection. So this is the connection of a relay. So I'm using here in this photo, I am using a 2-channel relay. So here what I did for the power supply purpose, because this relay actuation voltage is 5 volt, because 5 volt relay I'm using a relay module. So we like power supply for positive 5 volt, I've connected positive 5 volt. Ground I've connected to the ground. Whatever pin you are using, whatever pin, so whatever digital pin you are using, you have to connect to the pin. So here what I connected, this one is a AC power supply. here I've connected in the NO part only, but why I connected NO part, when when the actuation happened, then after that I need the bulb should be on. So NO means normally open, NC means normally close. So if your relay is not actuated, that time you are getting the value from the NO on, NC only, normally close only. When your coil will active, that time you got the value from the NO. So that's why I connected to the NO only, normally open. So if a relay is not actuated, that time the bulb value is 0. If your relay is actuated, that time you are getting the value. So how to get the value? So I have connected in the common. So in this module, middle one always common. Okay. So one terminal connected to the common, and another terminal I have connected to the bulb, and the next part of the bulb to connected to the NC only. Sorry, N only, normally open. Okay. When relay active, here I am getting the value. Here I am now it's closed path, so you can get the value. Okay. So that's the connection of the relay. So it will take some lots of time to upload. So I'll add this value. I'll attach the value, attach the connection in this video. So already I have explained how to connect. So if you are using two pins, okay, like I'm using 26 and 27. So if this is my 27, so you have to connect this 27 to the IN this pin, because I'm using here two module, two channel. So that's two means we can use two light also. Okay, if you are using 4 channel, then you can use at a time 4 device. You can control at a time 4 device. This is not for bulb. You can use the fan, whatever you are using. Okay, whatever circuit, whatever AC device you are using, so you can use this device. But the ESP32 required 5 volts. Okay, 5 volt for the operating. This 5 volt will given to the module. Okay, and this power supply used for to control the bulb. And remember, this is the when you are using this relay na, so be careful the AC, because here AC power supply involvement is there. So whenever you are designing a circuit, so be careful about the circuit designing, like how to connect. So first you prepare this thing properly, so that after that you can upload the program. Okay, sorry, something mistake is there. Okay. So after uploading the program, so my program is uploaded. Okay, successfully uploaded. So now after uploading the program, you have to switch on your hotspot. So remember, before uploading the program, you have to check the board and the port is connected or not. So my program is connected, so you have to switch on your this hotspot. Okay, so after that you have to check if a device, yes, now my device is connected, it's showing online. So after connecting my device, you have to click on dashboard, and then you have to create your dashboard. So I'll create my dashboard. So you can give any other names. So it's showing yes, dashboard created. So I'll add a widget. So widget means it's a, or like I'm giving a name as a relay. Okay, so here you have to choose on off state. Okay, so here device resources, relay is my project name, relay is my device name. Next. Okay, done. Now you can check your device is connected. So that's the value.